Hi everyone, Harley from McCormack's Auto Service. Just thought we'd take this opportunity just to show you the new Terrain Tamer Hub Seals on the vehicles. We're in the process of doing the wheel bearings on Milo 2, getting ready for the next trip. And while we're doing it, we're doing the front swivel hubs. Within this, Terrain Tamer has provided a new seal, and it's a seal I haven't seen before, and it's quite different from the conventional seal. The whole beauty of this seal here is the seal actually motions and turns within itself. So the whole point is the seal will sit on the spindle, and instead of the seal turning on the spindle, which can create wear on it, the seal is permanently fixed on the spindle and the seal turns inside. So therefore we're not going to create any wear on the spindle itself. As you might have seen down the track on different cars with a lot of wear on them, you can get a deep groove marked on the spindle, which on a front is okay because you can always replace them. But when you go to a rear axle diff housing, you've then got to possibly fit a speedy seal, which then puts excess pressure on the seal itself. The other advantage of this seal, it's actually a 3 seal component. So we've got one on the outer and a 2 sealing surface on the interior. And the whole wear is internally in the seal. So therefore, we're not going to be causing any harsh damage to the spindle or rear axle housing as we go. We've got a front hub here that we've already done the bearings on, and we've fitted a new seal to, and I've got to tell you there's no difference in fitting this seal at all. It's quite easy to use and it looks really good as well. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes. It's quite a new seal. So we're putting it all on Milo 2. We all know what Ruthie's like. He gets out there and gives it a go. So it'll be interesting to see how it goes, and I'm quite confident because any of the parts that we've used from Terrain Tamer so far that I've fitted have always been an excellent product. So keep informed, watch us down the track. We'll let you know on how the videos go, and after the big trips, I think it's going to be a winner and worthwhile checking out these new seals for yourself. Have a nice day.